Guys, listen, stop wasting hours and hours of time going through emails manually and then looking at your invoices at the end of the month. Get Zapier to do it for you. So let's get with it. You're going to search or select. In this case, I've already made it. So you go search and you look for email parser there. So that's what we're going to need to extract all our data. So we're going to go inside there and then we want to select new email. So go in here, pick this. And then this is how you kind of change your mailbox. So you're going to change and then you want to connect to new. So you see this top bit over here, so we'll bring it here and you've got a top section there that says create mailbox. You want to go inside there and then it will bring you to this next section here, which just gives you like your unique Zapier parcel mailbox. So skip this side and then it will take you to, so remember this and make a note of it. You're going to need that for later. You can change it to things like invoice, but you just need to make sure that that unique number is there. But I just leave it as it is and put it over there. And now I'm going to get some invoice data from one of my clients. I'm going to put that in here. So what we now want to do is we want to extract this data. We want to automate what we need and take out. We don't want to go and copy and paste it on the Excel spreadsheets or anything. So what we're going to do is we are going to select certain parts that we do need. So scroll down here. So what I'm looking for, total sales, and then I want to put that as total sales. Save that. Take it like that. And then go down. What else am I looking for? Let's highlight this, and I want this to be my VAT. Save that, and then highlight the next section, and that's going to be my dates. That's going to be saved, and that's going to go into my spreadsheet later. And then we'll look at VAT. Copy that. See, what I wasn't doing earlier, I wasn't clicking save. So you want to make sure that you're pressing save, and then it goes like that, kind of yellow color. And then we copy this. That was actually my commission. Save that. So that looks good to me, and we want to save. Hit save on there, and then click continue. So this is my unique email that I've had from before. I know the text earlier looked a bit different, but this is something that I've used and set up before. So it's just kind of just to show you it's a little bit easier on that side. Press continue. And then here's an email that I previously sent an invoice sent through. So if you scroll down, not here, where are we looking at? There we go, that's it, extracted data. So it's got my commission, it's got my date, and it's got my total sales. And then it's got my VAT. Boom, easy as that. It's pulled all the data that we need, yeah? So then we then go to continue, click continue. And then the formatter. So what I've used the formatter, if you looked on one of my data that is extracted, it's actually said, let's just go and continue here. Look, it's got the word over there that says promoted. And I don't want that. All I want is the £10 in there. I don't want all this promotion right in there because it's going to go into like a Google sheet. So press continue, and then you go. It's just got the data that I need. So how I done that, I extracted the data. So we go pick the formatter, go on text, and then where it says commission, that's been selected earlier, and then you want to put extract the number, the exact number, sorry. So it puts that on there, continue, and then that's it. That it will just pick out the exact number that you need instead of picking out all the other data. Here, we want to change this next step, add a step, and go into Google Sheets. So you want to add that in Google Sheets, and then pick whatever your Google Drive is, and then you want to create spreadsheet row. That's what you want it as. Continue, and then you want to go on Google Drive, so my drive. Consolidated sales report is just a report that I've named earlier, and I'll put the right columns in myself. You can get Zapier to do the columns, but I just make it myself. It just makes life easier. That's on that side, and then you want sheet 1 because that's just the first tab it's going to use. And then look, that's all the data that's going to go from the Zapier parser mail straight onto here. So if I scroll down on this bit, there we go. It's got all the data that I need. So I just select it and put it into the right box. So that's my commission there. That's my VAT over there, and that's my total sales. Go on that. It's got everything nicely done. I can't think of anything missing, so press continue. And we want to test a step. Loading, loading, loading. What I used earlier, this Copilot is pretty good. So I wasn't sure why it was pulling out with this data, with a commission saying, the placement promotion or whatever that is. So I've actually asked them and said, look, located email parcel, one of the highlights is £10 with promotion, but I only want it to say £10 on it. So then it gave me the actual reason and how I could format this. Go into format to buy Zapier, and it sorted that out for you. And then there you go. Look, it's extracted all the data that I need into a Google Sheets. It was that easy, simple. Yep. They went from the email parser, we extracted it, and then put it in Google Sheet. And then this next bit, we want to go into our Outlook. And what I've done, I've set this up already. Anything that comes in from my Justic mailbox or whatever mailbox you want it to automatically be forwarded. And so here's how you do it. So I don't know, you want to call this auto email select from, and that'll be from Justic, and it will send it to our unique Zapier mailbox. So we do that, and we get that saved inside. So I'm not going to save it because I've already saved it. And look, if you look on here, there's been so many forwarded emails that have been sent over. So we look at that, and it's all saved here. Simple, guys. Look, stop wasting hours and hours of time and follow for more. If you want anything that's automated in your business, drop me a message, drop me a comment. I'll see if I can solve the problem for you.